99.1 Spirit FM, the best of course. We are here at the newly opened, newly renovated Kuya J's here at SM City, Batangas. And with us right now, of course, is the one and the only Miss Neat Obsession. Kasama natin mga best friends, si Miss Isa Reyes. Good afternoon, Miss Isa.
Good afternoon. Thank you for being here with us. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta and for helping us spread the word also about Kuya J.
It's been a while, long time no see. Bata ka pa na ulit tayo nakita. But anyway, ang ganda ngayon ng itsura ng ating Kuya J's. Very sa ating aesthetic. So, can you please explain bakit tayo nag-iba ng interior ng Kuya J's?
We just want the experience to be whole kasi syempre, di ba, pag kumakain ka kasama pamilya mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay, gusto mo na talagang paramdaman yung init, yung pagmamahal, and gusto namin na up yung itsura ng aming store para lang sa ganun maramdaman ng mga kumakain dito na parang nasa bahay lang sila. So gusto namin yung pakiramdam na they feel like they're
Ito ba inspired ng Neat Obsession?
well, actually, ito is, naisip ko lahat ng Kuya J team. Malaking bagay lang na, alam mo yun, parang nag-connect yung ginagawa ko sa Neat Obsession at dito sa Kuya J. Kaya naman hindi ako nagdalawang isip na piliin tong brand na to para i-share sa mga kapwa natin Batanggenyo. Kasi nga, yun yung parang advocacy ng Kuya J that whoever eats here, they will feel like they're home.
And the brand speaks for itself, di ba? So, not only SM Batangas, you only have one in SM Lipa and one in Nuvali.
Yes, yes. So, there are a lot of Kuya J's, but today it's very special because apart from Kuya J Batangas, we're also opening up Kuya J Lipa. So, ayan.
Yeah, so kindly invite them to visit, of course. Ito ay hindi lang pang pagkakaibigan, kumbaga, this is for the whole family.
Sa mga kapwa ko Batanggenyo, so ano po, makapunta kayo dito sa Kuya J at patikmanin nyo ang pagkain na parang pambahay. At sana po, supportahan ninyo kami, kapwa nyo Batanggenyo rin, matikman ninyo ang Kuya J dahil dito kayo ang hanggan.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Isa, and congratulations!
Here's what's happening.